So, should I color this page, or I don't know? What page should I color? I don't know. Remember we bought it at Michael's? Yeah. Tabitha, I told you to put that away. Dang it. Slick, I'm trying to do the dishes. Are you feeding people? Yeah, you just made me fail. Well, what should we do? I don't know. Tabitha, I told you to clean the family room. Huh. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Should we have a play date? Yeah. Scott, I'm gonna go ask Mommy. Mom! Hold on a minute. I'm doing the dishes. Okay, let's see. While we look at pages and stuff. Hurrah! 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 Tabitha, can you stop? Slick, you have to be more specific on what you want her to do. Can you stop your hoo-hurrahs? Yeah, I guess. Hurrah! Tabitha, I told you to stop. Okay, sorry. And clean up the family room right now. Okay, what was the question you need to ask me, sweetie? I wanted to ask you if I could have a play date. Yeah, you can invite one friend. Okay. Yeah, we told Tabitha one friend, and it turns out to be 10 friends. Well, we'll see how she behaves this time. Well, this time we'll try for one friend. Let's see what happens. Alright. Let's get upstairs and ring. Yeah. No. No friends over till that family room is cleaned. And phew! Someone needs to take out the garbages. Slick, honey, why don't you? I'm doing the dishes. Well, I'm too busy playing Uno and feeding people, so no. Well, I guess we'll be in the family room. Okay, we're all done, Daddy. Okay, now you can invite one friend. Not 5, 1. Okay, look out, just boom, 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 boom. Okay, so what friend should we invite? I don't know. Well, I want to invite Muffin, Tabor, Tracy, Feathers, and Crowley. And Pepper. Yeah, and there's some doubles too. Yeah. What is that thing under the bed? I don't know. Hi, Chucky. Hi. So, yeah, and Chucky's here. 5 a.m. Yeah, so, yeah, let's invite all of them. Okay. Ring. Hi, are you available to come over today? Like right now? Yeah, all of you guys. Oh, you're all having a buddy. Well, can you come over here? Okay, you can? Okay, bye. Click. Why do you always have to hear a click? I don't know why we always have to say click. Okay, let's see. Ding dong. Ding dong. The doorbell rings twice. Tabitha, how many friends did you invite? Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You just counted 6. How many more are there? 500? To be exact, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe he's late. Oh, okay. Well, I want everybody out. Everybody out. One friend stays. You have to pick one friend. Oh, I have book club. Oh, my friend has book club. We're gonna choose her. Oh yeah, we're busy. Yeah, actually, yeah. Everyone's